Why waste money on expensive tools when you can get the same results for free? If you're into video editing, AI art, content creation, or automation, you don't need to break the bank. Today, I'll show you some amazing free alternatives to expensive software that can save you hundreds of dollars. Stick around till the end because some of these tools might surprise you. Let's get started. Free video editing tools. Instead of Premiere Pro, video editing can be expensive, but you don't need Premiere Pro to create stunning videos. Try OpenShot, a powerful free and open-source video editor that comes with advanced transitions, effects, and multi-layer editing. If you want something even more beginner-friendly, DaVinci Resolve has a free version packed with pro-level features. Free AI writing and content tools. Instead of ChatGPT-4, Jasper and WriteSonic, AI writing tools like ChatGPT-4, Jasper, and WriteSonic are great, but why pay when you can use free versions? ChatGPT's free plan can still generate great content, and tools like Simplified AI and RYTR offer free AI writing assistance for blogs, scripts, and marketing content. Free AI-powered code and writing assistance instead of Copilot. Instead of spending money on GitHub Copilot, try Tab9 or Codium, which offer free AI assistance for coding. For writers, Google's Bard AI is another fantastic tool that helps with idea generation and content creation at zero cost. Free AI art and image generators. Instead of MidJourney and Leonardo AI, love AI art but don't want to pay for MidJourney or Leonardo AI. Try Leonardo AI's free version, or use Deep Dream Generator and Stable Diffusion, which let you create stunning AI-generated images for free. Free captioning and video automation instead of Captions AI and V. Stesia, need captions for your videos? Instead of using paid tools like Captions AI or V. Stesia, try Capwing or Lou AI, which automatically generates subtitles and captions for free. These tools make your content more engaging and accessible without costing you a dime. Free photo editing and design software instead of Photoshop and Photopea. Instead of paying for Adobe Photoshop, use Photopea, a free online editor that looks and works just like Photoshop. If you need an AI-powered design tool, try Canva's free plan or 11 Labs for AI-generated voiceovers and creative assets. Why pay when you can create amazing content for free? Whether it's video editing, AI writing, art generation, or automation, these free tools can help you work smarter without spending a fortune. Which tool are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tips and tech hacks from Trend AI Today.